to get the Snapchat Plus badge. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can get the Snapchat Plus badge. So to get the Snapchat Plus badge, you will need to be part of the Snapchat Plus. So you will need the subscription service offered by the Snapchat. So here's the guide, step-by-step guide on how you can subscribe to the Snapchat Plus and obtain that badge. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Snapchat. If not, then you have to go to your Apple Store or Play Store and search for the Snapchat here. Once you have searched for the Snapchat, here you can see the update option and you have to update the Snapchat and download the latest version of your Snapchat available on your device. Once your app has been successfully updated, then you have to go and open up your Snapchat here. Once you have opened up your Snapchat, and you have to check the availability of Snapchat Plus subscription service which might not be available on all regions. So you have to ensure that the Snapchat Plus is available in your country. You have to go for the your profile option, which is on the top right. So after launching the Snapchat app on your device, you have to tap on the profile icon, which is on the top left corner of the screen to access your profile. So you have to look for the banner or option related to the Snapchat Plus. Tap in the profile menu. Here you can see that the Snapchat Plus. And you have to tap on the Snapchat Plus option and follow the instruction to subscribe. You will need to enter the payment information and agree to this subscription from here. You have to go for the next option. So here you can see that this is not available on my country, but you can process it through your debit card or credit card. Once you have successfully subscribed to the Snapchat Plus, the badge will be automatically appear on your profile. So the badge is a small and recognizable icon indicating that you are a Snapchat Plus member. So you will have access to the exclusive feature which may include customizable app icon, priority support, exclusive filter and lenses, and the ability to see who replies your snap. So you have to go to your Snapchat Plus setting and you have to check your subscription status and you can manage the billing information. Also, if you want to cancel the Snapchat Plus, then you can do throughout the App Store or directly in the Snapchat Plus setting. So with the help of this process, you can get the Snapchat Plus badge on your Snapchat. So if you have subscribed and follow this step, you should have the Snapchat Plus badge on your profile. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.